Kasiyahan Entertainment. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
And of course, I want to thank also Oz Pinoy Productions, SBR Events and Entertainment, and MCL Migration. Maraming salamat po sa pagtuloy sa amin. Thank you.
At di namin makakalimutan ang Shadows Asian Store, DLD Garage Doors, Venue Tech AU, Case Lashes Beauty Studio.
And of course, our official airline partner, Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! And special thanks to our music label, Sony Music Entertainment.
Today, we wrap up our concert here in Perth, but not the last time, and that's for sure. And we just want to thank each and every one of you 18 who's here tonight for showing your love, your support for SB19. And from the very first start until now, we're stronger, and we're not just, we're not just a fan and artist, we're a family. So we want to thank everyone for showing us the love that everyone deserves. Thank you so much. Thank you for showing your support in Simula at Wakas, from the experience, kick-off concert, and to those who traveled with us to different parts of the world. We truly appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. And of course, speaking of, we want to take this moment to thank the people behind our show.
Siyempre, our show team!
Our show team, thank you so much.
To our production manager, Ate B!
Yes, patingin naman dyan, wala bang ano?
Super ganda ng
na flash.
Siyempre, our show director for this tour, Direct Monday! Direct Monday!
Grabe, salamat po sa lahat ng pagtitiis nyo sa nangyayari sa, syempre, pag-asikaso.
Kahit Sunday ngayon. Siyempre, to our lighting director, na napakalupet, Direct Maki! Siyempre, our playback engineer, Kuya Bene! Siyempre, the youngest sound engineer, Sir Richard!
Sir Richard!
Let's go! And siyempre, our monitor engineer, Josue! Thank you so much, show team. Mabuhay kayo.
Meron pa. Siyempre, ang haba ng tour natin, so ang dami natin kasama all the while. Nandito ang W3! Unang-una, salamat kay Coach J! KK! Asa sila? Jesse! Asa si James? Keith! Russell! Last but not the least, Chase!
Graduate na kayo.
And of course, we would like to thank
Thank you
our
so
very own
much.
Onesie Entertainment. Thank you so much. Our project manager, the one and only, ang sikat na sikat, Yanni De Dios. Kuya Yanni, asan ka? Kuya Yanni, gunasan ka man. Thank you so much. And ang isa pa sa pinakamaingay, ang aming artist manager, Adelea. And ang pinakasikat sa lahat,
The youngest.
Tour manager, Maki. Maki. Maraming salamat, Ate Uge. Marketing Promotions Manager, Galahan East. Thank you so much, Galahan. And of course, our creative team. Thank you so much, Audrey, Amor, Barnes, and Sean. Thank you so much. And of course, syempre hindi magpapahuli, our glam team. Thank you so much for making
Let's go!
and Pogi all the time. Thank you to our glam team, our makeup artist, Maki Garta, Mama Ma. Thank you so much. And our hairstylist, Kuya Mark Familara. Thank you so much. And our styling team, our head stylist, EG. Where are you, EG? Thank you so much. And styling associate, we call him Eme. bit long, but we don't really care because we want to tell you guys how proud we are with our team. And also, make our stars shine brighter kahit sa panig ng mundo. Through ups and downs, yung iba nagkakasakit tayo, iba talagang they're pushing through because we want to give back to you guys. This is our first time going here in Oceania. And we're so loved and the energy that you gave us is really up here. So, yeah, we just want to say our thank you to all the people who have been, working behind the scenes. You guys don't see them, but they're the ones who are supporting us, making sure that we are able to perform here and stand in front of you guys. So, dapat silang bigyan ng pasalamat. Baka pwede naman natin bigyan sila ng kasi bagong platform. Siyempre, mga talagang gaba mga producers natin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng producers. Siyempre, 18 around the globe, you guys! And siyempre, last but not the least, SB90 right here, these guys. At hindi namin makakalimutan na dapat pasalamatan talaga. Ang 18! Dito sa point. Para around the globe na rin, okay na rin. Pero alam niyo guys, since nakatayo na kayo lahat dyan, pwede ba na mag-request kami ng Dungka Dance Challenge? Alright? Okay lang kahit hindi nyo alam. It's okay if you don't know the first one. As long as you have fun, alright? Ready? Energy! Are you guys ready? Tumba Mega! Tumba Mega! Nandito na kami, mag-groovy na tayo. Okay lang ba yan? Groovy tayo. Let's take some groovy!
Ito na yung patop natin! Patop! Ito na yung patop namin!
Okay, in the count of 3, you guys will say, Simula at Wakas Perth, alright? 1, 2, 3!
Simula at Wakas Perth!
Another one. Simula... Ay, sorry. 1, 2, 3! Grabe ah. Woo! Thank you so much.
Salamat sa
Kapatid
photo.
Dre, salamat. Meron lang akong last request. Alam ko, pagpunta kayo. Pero, bago tayo matapos at bago tayo mag-closing, pwede ba natin itaas po ang lahat ng inyong ilaw, light sticks, and flashlights. Alright? Yes, all the flashlights, come on, turn it on. Flashlights of your phone. Ang ganda po. And then gagawa tayo ng ocean wave. We call it the blue ocean wave. From our right to our left, okay? So, in 3, 2, 1, go! Another one! Reverse! With more energy! And more! Yeah! One more time! Thank you.
Loving the energy.
I'm loving the energy, guys. This might have been our last stop, but you guys made us feel really warm, welcome, and syempre, it's almost Christmas. And actually, parang yung pinaaga ang Pasko namin sa lahat ng saya na binibigay nyo. And syempre, gusto lang namin na maging memorable itong gabi na ito para sa inyo. Kasi memorable itong buong tour at itong gabi na ito para sa amin. Thank you so much, AT.
Gentlemen 18, this one's for you. SLMT 18!
Ate Aubrey. Ah, Diyos! Sa paglip sa paglipan. Diyos, marker ko!
This is our